Not every classic has to be perfect to be interesting. This '79 Berlinetta shows how personality can matter more than polish. Next on the list is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta, offered at $8,000 out of Ocala, Florida. This one shows 123,456 miles, though the seller notes the total mileage is unknown, pretty common for late '70s classics that have seen engine work over the decades. Finished in blue over blue, this Berlinetta carries a 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and the drivetrain has reportedly been rebuilt in the past. It runs and drives well, which is always a strong starting point for a late second-gen Camaro. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly clean for its age, aside from some tearing on the driver's seat, but it does come with a modern Bluetooth radio, giving it a slight comfort upgrade without taking away its classic feel. Like many Camaros from this era, it has no cold AC, and it could use a few small improvements such as better speakers and fresh paint. There's also rust on the rear quarter panels, which isn't unusual on these cars, especially in humid regions. But it's worth noting because it's one of the most common areas where second-gen Camaros tend to show age. Overall, this Berlinetta represents the more refined side of the Camaro lineup, less aggressive than the Z28, but still carrying that iconic long hood, rear drive muscle silhouette. At this price point, it's a drivable classic with room for personalization and restoration, making it an interesting choice for enthusiasts who want a usable project with plenty of character. So, what do you think? Project potential or perfect weekend cruiser? Share your pick, and I'll see you in the next classic.